This is how you safety wire a propeller. How you safety wire a prop.
Now you guys try it.
Now your guys' turn.
I'm gonna do the safety wire challenge.
Alright, I'm Jeff Sawyer and I'm doing safety wire challenge.
Oh, you messed it up on the
I messed it
pigtail.
up on the pigtail.
Right at the edge. I know what I'm doing. I'm gonna safety wire this prop. And I finished in 5 minutes and 20 seconds.
I'm Ethan, I'm doing the safety wire challenge. I'm Ethan and I'm starting again.
This one's no good because the head's too loose and it came off the end and the pigtail's kind of crushed. This one looks pretty good. He could have had a couple more twists in here at the end. I don't know if you can see that from that side. You might have to come around this angle. It got kind of sloppy there. This one's not even coming around the edge of the bolt. And you're gonna get cut on that if you leave it out like that, so you always want to twist it in.